Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the download not working error on Gumroad in 2026. Have you brought a product on Gumroad, but the download isn't working? Here's exactly how to fix it step by step. So we're gonna start with the first step. If you don't have a Gumroad account, you're just gonna go to your web browser and search for the Gumroad app or website in your web browser. Once you do that, you're gonna click on the website Gumroad Digital Store, and once you log into the website, you're gonna make sure to log in with your account. You can either log in with your Google account, your Outlook account, your Facebook account, etc. So once you finish setting up your Gumroad website or account, the first thing you want to do to fix the download not working error is to check the purchase email. Gumroad sends a download link to your email, so check your inbox and spam folder because you can find the emails in the spam folder. Now, the second thing to do is to log into your Gumroad library. You can sign into Gumroad and check your library for purchased products. We're gonna go here and click on the library here. This is one, as you can see. And here you can see the purchased products. As you can see, it has the purchases, the saved, the following reviews. You're gonna click on the purchase section. Now, you can also disable the pop-up blockers. Sometimes browsers block download pop-ups. So try to disable them and also try another browser. Switch browsers to see if the issue persists. And you can also check the internet stability. Large files may fail on unstable connection. Try to choose unstable internet connection. And now the download problems are usually browser or connection related. So follow these steps and you should access your files quickly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.